The Fresco's recipe app offers home cooks a wealth of useful features, but none more exciting than our guided cook flow. Our recipes are written with the needs of busy home cooks and time-saving kitchen appliances in mind. As I scroll down, I can see that there is a wonderful peanut butter bread recipe. I'm going to open it up, and as you'll see, here I can understand how many people that this recipe will serve and the total amount of time that it will take. As I scroll down further, I'll see all of the ingredients that I'll need to prepare. And then further down, I see all of the tools that are necessary to execute this recipe. Once I select Start Cooking, you'll immediately notice that I can use this recipe to remotely start my GE oven. I can go to the next step, and I can see that I need to combine all of these ingredients. You'll notice as I move from step to step, it's highlighted in black, which allows me to understand exactly where I am in the recipe and never get lost. Fresco's dynamic recipe format allows users to stay on task and never get lost on their cooking journey.